tight 154? Holy shit. Something must be working right. Lost the brakes. He followed you too. That was funny. Sorry.
Well, it's Podium Club weekend. Nice early start to the day. Just got done with the first session, and I don't know if I believe the aim solo because it said it ran a 154. I didn't feel like I was pushing the car that hard, and that's several seconds faster than my previous personal best. It is cold outside, so the engine's making a little bit more power. I hit 112 miles an hour going down the straight, which is more than I've ever done. So I think we're finally figuring out the counterclockwise layout, which is what we're running today. We're running clockwise tomorrow, which is where I typically set my fastest laps. So yeah, good start to the weekend. Let's keep it up. definitely take that. We just backed up the 154 and even went a little quicker with a 154.62 in the second session. 5 cylinders ripping out here, having a blast. Finally figuring out counterclockwise and making it consistent. So, yeah, let's keep it going. Counterclockwise the rest of the day today, clockwise tomorrow. Love just listening to this rip on the track. It's absolutely amazing. So, yeah, I'm blaming it on this 07K Motorsport shirt, which you can find at voyagerrc.net if you really want one. So, we're channeling our inner 5-cylinder motorsports. So, yeah, on to the next round. Well, I keep getting pleasantly surprised by this thing. Session 3, it's warming up, tires are getting greasy. We still threw down another 154. So it was on the solo too. The draggy clocked a really low 155, so 10th or a little bit more discrepancy there, but you're at a 154 on the solo. So I think we're good. We can go for session 4 at just past 4 o'clock in the afternoon in the heat of the day and throw down another 154. Yeah, this thing's doing work. I don't know what it is today, but picked up a lot of time from the last time I was here running counterclockwise. So I'm excited to see what I can do clockwise tomorrow, because I usually do better clockwise. I'm usually 2 seconds slower counterclockwise. So we'll see what we can do tomorrow. I'm not saying I'm going to be 2 seconds faster than a 154 going clockwise, but if I can get a 154 clockwise, doing all right. So yeah, one more session to go today, and then we got my typical faster layout tomorrow. So yeah, one more session counterclockwise. Let's see if we can get another 154 and have a 154 in every single session today. That'd be fantastic. Can we give it up for these Accelera 651 Sport Extras? This is the 8th track day on these things, and they're still holding strong. They've been heat cycled like crazy, basically getting heat cycled out, but I'm still pleasantly surprised by the amount of grip that I'm getting when I take them out on track. So yeah, if you're looking for a budget tire that's going to give you a decent amount of grip and some longevity, I'd say check out the Accelera 651 Sport Extras from Tire Streets, because they've been doing me a solid. So yeah, back to racing.
Lost the brakes. He followed you too. That was funny. Sorry.
Gosh.
You definitely have to check your underbottom.
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep going this way. Woo! Did you lose the brakes? Or did you were just like too late braking?
A little late, and then they just kind of...
Yeah, they just didn't slow it down.
It wasn't happening.
Join the club. Oh, that track's right ahead. Yep.
Still ran a 55.
Yeah, it's really good.
Well, that was an interesting one. I don't know if you've seen Podium Club's Rallycross course before, but I just gave you a sneak preview. We cooked it going into the turn, and then pedal went hard, and yeah, decided to just go straight off and straight through the deep gravel and back around. So yeah, slight detour, but still ran a 155 with the passengers in the car. So yeah, that's a wrap on Counterclockwise. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, do all the things. And we got Clockwise tomorrow. So yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.